Today's hive inspection is the bees that I took out of the wall in Orgsburg. It was a cutout. They only had one comb that I was able to save because all the other combs were way too soft. I did get the queen. I'm pretty sure I gave mostly foundationless frame. Yeah, it looks like one plastic foundation, small cell frame. And it's only been about maybe 10 days since I brought them here. Yeah. And man, they have this box completely full.
Really?
Yeah, I knew it was a lot of bees, but man, wow. They even have the foundation drawn. At least started. There's the queen right there at the bottom. Where'd she go? Did she fall off? Yeah. She's in the middle. I'm sure you all saw that anyway. I talk trash to my viewers. Now for the king of foundation. See what their foundation list. See what they're doing on here. I like it. There's eggs in every cell.
Now this is completely empty.
Yep, that was just a empty frame.
Wow. A lot of bees.
That was totally foundationless 10 days ago. I don't see a single drone cell on here. They're following it right along, real nice. I really don't need to go any further. I just wanted to see if they were going straight, but let's see. Oh my god, I put a medium frame in here? Okay. That must have been foundationless too. Oh yeah, it was connected down there. Alright, well I'll have to fix that. This was the only piece of comb I was able to save. I'm not going to pull it up because it has some attachments at the bottom to that other piece of comb. I'm going to let them just keep all that. They're good. They got a lot of work to do for winter, but they're well on their way to drawing this box completely out. Then they just got to pack some honey away. Orwigsburg bees.